Alright, so the stairs have been now removed and we are at the ground at Amsterdam for the second time. We experienced a crash desktop on our departure just now. Let's not fret about that and let's continue on. So we are yet to request our IFR clearance to London Heathrow. We are flying SQ Singapore 73904. And yeah, it's going to be a very short leg. What we are a bit worried about is our outside air temperature is 1 degree Celsius, and according to SOP, if we see outside slush or icing or frost or whatever on the aircraft, which we do not, especially on the walk-around, we did not, and that the temperature is as low as it is, maybe minus 10 degrees Celsius, then we are supposed to be doing a de-icing procedure, but that's not the case, so we shall not do de-icing. Okay. So once I get a little break in the frequency, I will request clearance. Information Golf is now active. And when we are not allowed to put our departure run or departure SID without getting clearance first, so that's why I haven't executed this yet. But this is what we're expecting. This is what I received last time. Okay, it was about to transmit there. Delivery, good afternoon, Singapore 7394, formation Golf, request clearance to London Heathrow as well.
Singapore 7394, delivery, hello, call correct, cleared London Heathrow, Falco 3, Sierra departure, runway 24, initial climb flight level 60, squawk 7331.
Cleared London Heathrow via Vocal 3 Sierra departure, squawk 7331, initial climb flight level 60, departure runway 24.
Singapore 7394, reback correct, report fully ready.
Okay, I kind of forgot the squawk, but I managed to clutch up, and my lights just turned off, so it really distracted me. There you go, back on. Couldn't really read my clearance properly, but we did it, and the order was wrong. Like, I was jumping all over the place. But acceptable. Yeah, so Valco 3 Sierra departure, as we're expecting. So we got a final load sheet already on the right window. Let's read it to us. So zero fuel weight is going to be 197.2.
Opposition, contact tower 119.3.
97072. Okay, okay, 209. Reserves today, final reserves plus alternate is going to be 5.662. We round up in aviation when we're talking about fuel, so we would round up to 5.7. Cruise altitude, final level is going to be 240. Cost index today is going to be 120, very high. We need to do that so we can reach at a proper altitude when we transition to London control. If they are online, there's a big if. Next we have. Yes, we're doing a derated with assumed temperature of 53. Okay, temperature is rising, that's good. First 5 departure and center of gravity is going to be 20 for today. According to our performance calculation, we have got what is 6, 129, and 133.
145, Schiphol delivery, hello, information Golf, clear to Dublin, number 2 Sierra departure, runway 24, initial climb level 60, squawk 6263. Squawk 6263, Burger 2 Sierra departure, runway 24.
Why do they read it like that? I'm very confused. Like they read the squawk, they read it the other way around. That's strange. Okay, so minimum climb gradient for this departure is 3.6, so we can do that. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do the fix for engine out procedure for our MSA for this airport is 25. Here we can see this thing. It's good. And in case engine out, we will do runway heading. Engine out SID, that's what it is. Runway heading for this airport is runway 24, 237. I really hope we don't crash. Like, it crashed the desktop, I'm not talking about like a crash in aviation. If the ground personnel have not removed themselves from the aircraft, we shall ask them to do that now.
Yes, sir.
All personnel, please clear the air.
All clear, sir.
Okay. And final check for the doors. All armed. Good. Singapore 7394 Sierra 902 ready. Shoot. I didn't hear anyone.
After the delivery, you can at 611 at
Confirm 73.
We have information.
Yeah.
Go for 651, we're coming back shortly. Thank you very much. Information Golf,
Oh, we're getting rid of a lag now. Oh, that's terrible. What's wrong? Oh no. And the weather at Amsterdam is not pretty good as well. Yeah, the visibility is subpar, as you could say. Yeah. Ooh. That's bad. Okay, pre-flight. Checked in before. 123, question 146. Altimeter is 1007.
MCP.
Okay, we have to push back pretty soon if we... Singapore 7394, fully ready.
Singapore 7394, information Golf, Connect 1007. Contact tower 119, slot 230, bye bye.
119 230, Singapore 7394, good day. And Amsterdam approach 121-205.
Off Delta, taxi 100.07, runway 24, hold short, being stand, echo 18.
205 or 285?
Sierra 7,
0.
24, hold short of stand, echo 18.
What is the chair doing?
Now off Delta, the traffic has passed, so you can continue normally to Sierra 7, runway 24.
Alright, Gamma is moving to pressurize hydraulics. 6.25 one side and I set the trim. 6.25, okay.
Quality 244,
Quality.
taxi Sierra 906,
65 checked.
and Sierra 2, hold short, runway 24.
Any visible snow icing? Not yet, no.
And zero, we hold him short for the runway 24.
So we are 9 minutes early. If we would get our
Cathay 651, when the Finnair Airbus A350 behind has passed, push and start approved. The hard Airbus A350 pass, push start approved, Cathay 651. Finnair 9 Alpha, you may taxi via Alpha 1.
Where'd the Air China go? That was literally right next to us.
Finnair 9 off Delta.
We're disconnected.
Airline 591, with you on push. KLM 591, push pull is
Oh, frames are terrible when I look outside. Why is that? Okay, doesn't look like we're gonna get a gap in the frequency. Some airports like us to mode Charlie first, but oof, it's right there.
Alpha, good day, number 2.
Brr. Singapore 7394, Sierra 902, cast push.
Singapore 7394, hello, push and start approved, facing Sierra 8.
Push and start approved, facing Sierra 8, we had a crash. I'm saying this. Oh.
Delta 4, Delta 54.
We forgot.
KLM 1145, hello, push and start approved.
This is the same tower guy who we spoke to and got our clearance and everything. So I don't know if you might remember us. That's why I said we crashed.
We're 836 expanded parking KLM Boeing 737, line bridge runway 24 behind.
For some reason, all my... That's an A320 bro, an A321 Neo. I hate when that happens. Oh my god. Oh my god.
KLM 60 Zulu, welcome to Schiphol, taxi Bravo 4. Traffic 4, KLM 60.
Watch him like get teleported now.
4. Traffic 24, KLM 60 Zulu.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Tower, Aircraft 695, taxi for runway 24.
How are we doing down there, guys?
Aircraft 695, taxi on the point, Sierra 7, runway 24. Sierra 7, runway 24, KLM 60 Zulu.
Okay, before stop, checklist. MCP sent 123 237 6000.
Number 2.
Takeoff speeds V1 126 129 133. Completed flight completed trim 6.2500 water trim.
Completed.
And yeah, it's gonna be regular pushback onto Sierra 8. Facing Sierra 8.
Runway 24, cleared for takeoff, the wind 30 degrees 7.
Come back soon. Cheers.
No.
Runway 24, cleared for takeoff,
Goodbye.
66. Bye bye. Sorry, 65, correct for taxi.
Okay, we'll be starting right engine and the left in sequence if that's okay. That's okay.
Alpha 4.
Okay. Starting right.
Runway 24, 07, Transalpha 65, correct. Alpha Delta, line point, runway 24.
Let's get some foot heaters on, yeah?
Line up and wait for runway 24, in 9 Alpha Delta. KLM 6 Juliet, runway 27, clear to land. The wind 300 degrees 7 knots.
Are you sure?
Clear to land, 27, KLM 6 Juliet.
Just wanna remember take off fuel.
Taxi Charlie 5.
Okay, so 126. So we got rotation, starting right.
KLM 65 X-ray, stay in runway 27, ready for push.
Oh, hello. Good eye.
KLM 65 X-ray.
I hate how the lights look like. But like,
KLM 65
yeah.
X-ray.
okay, all pressure stable. On departure, I will put window wipers onto low because on my previous departure, which crashed, CTD, it was pretty rainy, and then I tried putting the window wipers on mid takeoff roll, and that kind of messed me up badly. Starting left. With rotation, starting left. Oh my god.
KLM 6 uniform, hello, number 1.
Bit of busy frequency in Boatcrest, radio check.
Todd, TBF 5072 on the ILS 27.
Look at the fin air rolling.
Hello, number 2.
Where's this guy going to? Helensky? Yep. Nice. I miss flying Singapore, the more like long hauls. Or wide bodies, I mean, but like, we have 2, that should be fine. Beggars can be choosers, am I right?
KLM 66 uniform, runway 27, clear to land, to wind 270 degrees, 10.
I doubt they would send the 350 all the way to Amsterdam. Thanks, I'm talking. 400.
KLM 66 Juliet, welcome to Schiphol, taxi Charlie 10, via Alpha 14, join behind the company, Boeing 727 from right to left on Alpha.
Okay, 2 good starts, flaps 5 for departure, and I think we're set cockpit.
Alpha 14 and also by the KLM 737. Cathay 6 hold short Alpha 8. Hold short Alpha 8, had a
Cathay?
From 695.
We have a Cathay Pacific. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Very nice. I like it. Okay, flight control check. Full left. Full right. You can disconnect. Full left elevator. Full 4 elevator. Rudder to the left. Neutral, rudder to the right. Neutral. Flight controls have been checked. And before it's taxi checklist. Recall.
Check. Flight controls. Check. Check. Ground equipment. Clear.
Not yet. I see you. Can't hide from me. Looks like there's a bit of a queue. 4 for departure.
Charlie, hello. Report break off for the T4. Walk away.
Where's Cathay, bro? That is not Cathay. Imposter.
Checklist complete.
Schiphol, taxi Charlie 16. Taxi for Charlie 16, yes. Cathay 651, join behind the KLM Airbus A320 in front. KLM 31 Cathay 651. KLM 31 kilo, change of plans, taxi 1.05. Check by KLM 31 kilo.
Singapore 7394 ready for taxi, sir.
Singapore 7394, taxi 1.08, runway 24.
Taxi 08, runway 24, Singapore 7394.
250 Charlie, fly the circling, runway 24, clear to land, to wind 270 degrees 10 knots. Clear to land 27 and initiating now.
I thought he said runway 24. I was like, oh, this guy got clearance to land on runway 24. Okay, see ya, Amsterdam.
Alpine 36 Bravo Tango, hello, pushes are approved.
Visibility is improving. Wait, I'm sorry, there is a arrival on runway 24. The hell? Okay, I will go train as FO usually does, and the captain will go to weather.
Hello, I'm at Tower KLM 611 at the bookstore bar, which is over. And for your information, we need to get it. KLM 61, roger. When clear of your company, Boeing 777 behind. Push, pull, start.
That is a very slow approach speed, my guy. God damn. What are those flap settings, man?
KLM 65 X-ray, ready for taxi.
Oh my god. Dude, you want to see how many people have been waiting for that guy? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including me. This guy must be carrying the president of Switzerland and some chocolate.
Runway 27, clear to land, the wind 270 degrees 10 knots. Get along to Salem, cover the wind, telemetry 8946.
Oh, the cafe is invisible.
5072, taxi Charlie 11.
Oh, he's not. Wait, what?
Charlie 11.
Is that birds?
Thank you, Charlie.
We have a bird attack. Oh my
Roger.
lord. Dude.
Switch 250 Charlie, taxi Bravo 36. Bravo 36, thank you for the takeoff. Switch 250 Charlie. Canada 65X, ready for taxi.
Oh, can these birds like?
KLM 65 X-ray, taxi on the point Sierra 7 runway 24, hold short Alpha 8. Holding point Sierra 7 for 24, hold short Alpha 8 for
Yeah, this Cafe Pacific is invisible. And what are all these birds doing?
KLM 31 kilo, runway 24, clear for takeoff, to wind 270 degrees 10.
What the?
For KLM 31 kilo.
XpRealistic. Yeah, what the hell is this?
KLM 27 Echo, push and start approved, facing east.
Yeah, so there's a Cathay Pacific 350 over here.
KLM 18 Alpha, where are you going? Taxi via, well, can you continue now? Say again for KLM 18 Alpha. Yeah, KLM 18 Alpha, you're taking a non-taxi now, but continue via Alpha 8. Continue Alpha 8, KLM 18 Alpha.
How low are we on fuel? Okay, we can run for... I mean... Until 1-3... Ooh, we're running low one.
KLM 5 Alpha behind the departing for Transavia Airlines, runway 24 behind.
Do I tell tower? Because once this reaches 6, we are really close to our minimum fuel for takeoff. Minimum takeoff fuel.
46, welcome to Schiphol, taxi Bravo 32. Bravo 32, Volume K 946.
There's an invisible aircraft.
Alpine 36 Bravo Tango, taxi on the port Sierra 7.
There's 2 invisible aircraft.
Sierra 7 Tango, Alpine 36.
Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist.
Checklist complete.
It's an auto.
0 kilo, contact schip approach 121.205. 11205, kilo, 1 kilo. Kilo 5 to Alpha, runway 24, clear. Take off to wind 270 degrees, 1 circles. Amsterdam Tower, runway 27. There 757, hello, runway 27, clear to land, to wind 270 degrees, 10 knots. Clear to land, runway 27, 757. Good day, 651, we are on parking 11, Airbus A320, runway 24 behind. Good day, 651, runway 24. Runway 24, can I check our people? Good evening, Easy 701 parking hotel security for Bushman is not. First KLM 5 behind the KLM Boeing 727 from the right on Bravo. KLM 591 join behind the company Boeing 727 from the right on Bravo.
Means you wait. Don't you move forward.
591 737 behind KLM 591. KLM 65 X-ray going behind the company Boeing 727 to your right. We'll join behind the company on the right for KLM 65 X-ray. Cathay 651, runway 24, clear for takeoff. The wind 270 degrees, 10 knots. Runway 24, clear for takeoff, Cathay 651, Singapore 7394, join behind the Cathay Airbus A350, departing runway 4 behind.
Join behind the Cathay 350 behind the runway 24 Singapore 73994. Oh.
Hello, good evening. B77L for Boris back Bravo 31.
Receptions first, EV701, please start group.
First start Blue EV701.
And Osprey 77.
Okay, thank God the
Approaching
Cathay is already airborne or rolling. The invisible one, so I don't know if I'm going to be running into him or not.
Okay, question, I was just confirm the restriction.
Super 438 whiskey, it's 180 till 6, 16 till 4, and you are number 1 for the approach.
Actually, number 1 will make
on runway 24.
Singapore 7394, runway 24, clear for takeoff, the wind 200 degrees, 10 knots, bye bye.
24 clear for takeoff, Singapore 73994.
KLM 1145, Bern, Martin, Singapore, Boeing 777, lightweight, runway 24 behind, expect 1 minute delay due to wing turbulence.
Hello, Chair, run up down the departing 777 and behind, expect 1 minute delay, KLM 1145.
Test set.
Correct.
Yes, we live.
Spirit 438 whiskey, runway 27, get land, wind 200 degrees, 130.
Yeah, that's all. I really need a pilot monitor. We won. Rotate.
Hold short. Sorry, just taxi Golf 8. Captain to Golf 18, 757.
Was we got ONF. Thought of winner speed.
Versaving 65 Quebec, komt met Amsterdam op 125 en 750.
125 is coming back in the runway 65 Quebec.
Op bij 723 kilo, fly heading 060. Fly heading 060. En de 52 half je on is klein level van 30. Plan verder voor
Flaps up. The flaps one.
Cross Africa 6926, runway 27 vacated via Victor. Free.
6726, taxi to Alpha 3.
Alpha 3 for
Flaps up.
6926.
All by 7 Bingo Kilo, descend to flight level 45. Descend to flight level 45, all by 7 Bingo Kilo. Cannibal 750, maintain the speed 230 knots or greater, descend 3000 feet, security van 007. 3000 feet, speed 23 operator, yeah, what's the fuck? Easy 165, go to tower 119 decimal 230.
150 there, it's 165 back.
Walker 1443, clear destination, Sobol to Bear for departure, runway 24. Initial
Oh,
climb, correction, initial climb 3000 feet,
So initial
score
altitude.
2127.
Set 3 times. After takeoff checklist. After takeoff checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Oh my god. Approach good afternoon, Singapore 73994 airborne for 5500 for flight level 060. Why is he glitching out like that?
Approach speed, come to the tower, 119 decimal 330. Thank you very much for that. First Alpine 7 to take up kilo speed, all 9 knots.
We're not cleared for above. I thought you need to stop climbing, bro.
Cathay 65 on the climb to flight level 130. Kilo 5 to Alpha, contact Amsterdam on
Alright, the frequency is so busy.
150, 4 to Quebec, vectors for ILS runway 27, leave Sierra Papa Lima heading 060.
Vector 787 and leave Sierra Papa Lima 060.
Oopsies.
Approaching the guest time, service taxi at the
Not bad.
First KLM 1750 descended 2000 feet.
So much happening outside as well.
ILS 27. 2000 feet, 22 clearance, ILS KLM 1750 start reducing the speed 180 knots, ordinator until 6. 180 at 6 KLM 1750. Two stations, first KLM 145, hello, climb to fly, hold on, 30, turn right to 30. 130, like the KLM 145. 651, contact Amsterdam 125.750. A651, contact Amsterdam 125.750. 125,
Singapore sub 394, 6000.
X-ray at 2600.
Two stations, first KLM 65, X-ray, hello, turn left heading 085, climb to fly below 30.
Left 085, just confirm the altitude for KLM 65 X-ray.
KLM 65 X-ray, climb to fly below 30.
130, KLM 65 X-ray.
Open.
72 Tango Kilo, turn right heading 210. Heading 210, open 72 Tango Kilo. Singapore 7394, climb to fly below 30.
Flight level 130, Singapore sub 394.
Approaching the Desert Sunrise, taxi. Design 600 X-ray, taxi to the right 24, Victor 6. Open 72 Tango Kilo, descend 2000 feet, QNH 1007. 2000 feet, QNH 1007, open 72 Tango Kilo, correct, turn right heading 235, cleared islands, runway 27. Turn right heading 235, cleared islands 27, open 72 Tango Kilo. Goedemiddag, East 5 Bravo, flight level 94, descending to 70.
Made a lot of mistakes in my video calls.
Now Victor's ILS runway 27 and leave Sierra Papa Lima heading 060. Victor's to ILS runway 27 and the heading, sorry? The heading after Sierra Papa Lima 060. Sorry, after Papa Sierra Lima 060. To confirm it is after Sierra Papa Lima. Break, KLM 1145, contact Amsterdam 125.750. Contact Amsterdam 125.75, KLM 1145. Singapore 7394, contact Amsterdam 125.750.
125.750, Singapore sub 394, good day.
6 knots, X-ray, resume on that. 135.650,
I'm in my chair over there. No time for break. Not yet. Singapore 7394, good day.
Singapore 7394, make a flight level 240.
And final flight level 240, Singapore 7394.
Amsterdam, hello, Canada 65 X-ray, climbing to 130 and 115.
65 X-ray, hello, proceed direct to Osborne, climb to flight level 250.
Why is like London not even, no, it's like no radar. We only have approach on Birmingham.
Climb to 250 and
I like this though, this looks
for
really nice.
Canada 65 X-ray.
Love it. Okay, so it's going to be very hectic the takeoff today. We did not crash, this is the main thing. We didn't have a WASM. A CTD. I don't know why I keep saying WASM. It was nice, I loved it. A bit shaky on the departure as well. I wasn't straight at all, but the thing is, it's always the issue, and I don't know how to fix it. Like, I'm pushing with like I'm not really that strong of a man. Or of a person, sorry. But I shouldn't be needing that much force. And I know this because I experienced what the VF feels like, and that's not what it feels like. Anyways, have to wait a long time for that Swiss takeoff. Alright, so I'm gonna hand you guys off to Unicom, and I'll be seeing a frequency after he hands me off. So thanks for watching. It is a pleasure having you here, and see you on the arrival to London, which is gonna be around in 25 minutes. So yeah, see ya.